You can put the music back on for a bit. Oh, do you want to have a play a bit, shall we?
Yeah, go on, play.
We're just going to do a little sound check thing just to get noise. It is going to be loud.
Oh, really? Oh, no.
Oops. Sorry, good. 1, 2.
Buckle my shoe.
3, 4.
Knock on the door.
5, 6.
Pick up sticks.
7, 8, 9. Is it? I don't know.
I don't know the rest. 7, 8. I fell asleep at that
Oh,
point.
7, 8, yeah, that goes at 2, so it makes sense, doesn't it?
9, 10. Do it again. Frenetic. Is it?
1, 2.
Come. You need your squeeze. A bit quite shuffling. Every day I'm shuffling.
I feel like a little gnome sat on the end here.
Yeah, what's a curry?
Kerry, video.
Monster time. Minge. What you're after. What you're after. Minge. Wonder how many hits on YouTube this is going to get. Fucking minge. I think I've just weed a little bit. Are you moist? I'm either moist or pissing myself. You can edit that bit out. Oh no, it's going on walls and all of. It could have been a burst wart. That's all you need to know, trust me. That was the gist. Not very pleasant.
I thought you were fucking
That is the new sound checking. What to cut? I can feel it in my ribcage, fuck and Sammers, I just had these lot in me living
Okay.
a super day, I got the I was staring at a blank check. I had a dream last week, I was staring at a blank check. I had thought of something else, doing other practice. Last week I was playing on the shoestring. Loud enough? Should we turn up the vocals or should we keep them the same? Same? That was good?
Yeah, that was
Excellent. Too quiet. Cool. We'll get loud everything, the vocals and... Yeah, cool. 1, 2, 2, check. 1, 2.
There's Nicholas. Probably put on a bit of music for a minute.
If you feel something splashing from the mezzanine, you know what it is.
Yeah, behind you.
Oh, now there's an offer.